Hi everyone, I am Ashwini Ambega. I am studying in B.Ed first year at KLE Society College of Education, Ankola. Let us discuss about interactive whiteboard. An interactive whiteboard is a large touch sensitive board which is connected to a digital projector board or computer. It can be controlled by touching the board either directly or by special pen. The board is typically mounted to a wall or on a floor stand. The interactive whiteboard can be used for all level students in an educational field like in various training, in business, in commercial field, in sports training and also in different sector for the purpose of group discussion. The interfunctional whiteboard works as an electromagnetic, laser ultrasonic, infrared pen, etc. The benefits of the interactive whiteboard are strong in the education sector. Teachers are struggling to connect with students using outdated technology. Still, some schools and teachers are trying to get them involved with the chalkboard. Fixed chalkboard and paper based lessons are not connected to students of the digital age. Interspersed whiteboards invite students to engage with lessons. Next, we move on to features of interactive whiteboard. All software on a computer should be displayed on the big screen. Storing the content written on the whiteboard on a computer with which it is connected. Using OCR optical character recognition software, the elements written on the whiteboard can be converted to text. The interactive whiteboard can written from the right pen and can be easily deleted. The primary and most noticeable feature of an interactive whiteboard is the ability to interact with projected content. Next, we move on to types of interactive whiteboard. Interactive whiteboards are technological replacements for traditional blackboards. There are three main types of interactive whiteboard technology available. First one is resistive technology, second one is electromagnetic, third one is laser scanners. First one, resistive technology. Resistive technology whiteboards supports touch-based interaction. In general, this is the least expensive type of interactive whiteboard. Smart Technologies line of smartboards are based on resistive technology. Second one, electromagnetic. A company named Mnemonics introduced the first pen-based electromagnetic whiteboard in 1994 and continues to be a leader in the field. Electromagnetic whiteboards have an embedded wire mesh that uses electricity to create a magnetic field. Third one, laser scanners. The most expensive type of interactive whiteboards are based on laser scanner technology. Movement on the board is detected by infrared laser scanners mounted to each corner. Next, we move on to advantages of interactive whiteboard. Difficult subject can be easily explained by an interactive whiteboard. Interactive whiteboard enhance intercultural activity between student and teacher. Effective teaching and learning process takes place. Interactive whiteboard is used to discuss with a group of commercials. Easy to carry global informations in four walls of classroom. Realistic experiences takes place. Lessons can be planned through multimedia facility, allowing students with different disabilities to learn better. Teachers can easily plan a lesson. Repetitive learning takes place. It promotes active participation in learner. Save lessons to present to students who were absent. Thus, we conclude that the interactive whiteboard as a whole provide the foundation for students to develop the necessary social skills, cooperation and communication skills. The interdisciplinary whiteboard enhances motivation throughout student learning. As a result, is boosts confidence, implementing different learning styles of students. Eventually, the content becomes fun and students become active learners who build their own learning. Thank you for watching.